Dito tayo sa North Sidra Farm. Manguha tayo ng strawberry. Daming strawberry. Look. Fresh strawberry.
Kakainin. Kakainin na.
Ang tamis. Sobrang sarap ng strawberry. Fresh strawberry here. O, diba? Sa kalagitnaan ng desierto, may nabubuhay na ganitong strawberry. Yes, at dito yan sa Qatar. Ang daming strawberry, oh. Fresh strawberry.
Show me. Show me. Show me this strawberry.
Ito yung sinasabing greenhouse. Lahat yan, nakikita nyo, puro strawberry. Punta lang kayo dito sa North Sidra Farm. At fresh na fresh, pwede nyong kuhain. Ang dami, diba? Oh. Yay! Very good, girls! Ang daming strawberry. Nakakatuwa. Fresh na fresh. Gawa tayo mamaya ng ice cream. Or strawberry yogurt. Anong favorite flavor nyo ng strawberry?
But not.
This one. You can cut this one.
This?
Yes. Nice. It's yummy, right? And this one also. There. It's big. Just use your scissors.
Okay. Yeah.
Where? Yeah. Nice. Oh, more. You love strawberry?
Yeah.
Look.
Ah, this one also. Ay. Wow. That one's so sweet. Nice. How many? You have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's enough? Yeah. Kalas. Thank you.